Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sudden Wealth. I hope you're having a very good start of the week. If you do enjoy the content, please consider dropping that like and subscribe. So, thank you very much for your support. We are approaching 700 subscribers, so let's try and push it ideally before the end of the week. By the way, I'll be doing a live stream on Wednesday, so I will try to do more and more live streams always on Wednesday. Take a half an hour to an hour, depends a bit on the engagement as well. So I'll try to do that. So in case you guys have some questions for me, just come up with them and I will try to address them during the live stream as best as I can. By the way, today I wanted to make a quick video on AMC because that was also one of my points when I started the channel. I was discussing a bit the meme stocks because I saw a lot of new investors coming into the market and basically getting completely destroyed at the mercy of YouTubers. And those YouTubers are now either deleted their videos and no longer talking about any of the meme stocks, or they are talking about now good stocks, meaning companies that actually make money and, have this crazy notion of generating positive cash flows. My God, what a crazy idea. Others moved to crypto. Others started to ask money for casinos. Others are always coming up with the next AMC, the next 10X, the next Revenge, the next MOAS, the next whatever. Then you have others who keep on talking about AMC to 50,000, next video AMC bankrupt, next video AMC to 10,000, next video AMC is finished, blah, blah, blah. So then basically covering any and other news about AMC, and when they don't exist, they just create them. Like the hedge funds are meeting in secret in the basement of my hotel at 3 in the morning to discuss AMC to save the world economy. Like this kind of reporting of news. Now, in all seriousness, look, AMC has been pounded completely. I mean, it's under $1 before the reverse stock split, so that would be about 9 cents. And there is a possibility for a major run in terms of the share price. Why? Because I do think the Federal Reserve will bring up money printing once again, probably next year. I do think they will bring a lot of money printing. I do think that most people will expect inflation for like the first 3 months, but then when inflation is actually probably decreasing, they will be surprised and say, oh, actually, we can just keep on printing money. So I think that level of money printing will continue. I do think that stocks will reach all-time highs in the US, at least Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, Dow Jones by Q1 2024, which means that then you go down the risk curve. So you start with the indices, then individual stocks, then crappier stocks, so on and so forth. So there's going to be a pump eventually on these beat down stocks. Now the question is, in my opinion, companies like AMC will always have an extra pump, if you will, by the fact that it still has kind of a cult following, kind of a loyal following, although much lower than it used to be in the past. But in any case, if even the old investors who left see a pump, they will feel the temptation of, oh, let me go buy AMC and recover my losses. So they will fall for it. Of course, the YouTubers will jump on it. They'll make a lot of money on ad revenue once again. But the key here is, in my opinion, the fundamentals of the company. So it can be a pump based on hype, just for no reason, just because of the kind of a bit the clown stock market has returned, or it can be actually because the company is doing better. And in that context, in the next few weeks, you're going to see AMC is going to launch their quarterly result. And if you think about it, because a lot of noise has been lost now with these Adam Aron case with a 17-year-old ballerina or whatever that is being accused of sending some pictures. I don't know if he did it. I don't know if he didn't. I don't know if he was framed. I don't care. That's not the point here. The point is that that has caught a lot of the attention. But I remember Adam Aron talking about the best quarter in the history of AMC. That this month we're doing better than 100 years of AMC, blah, 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 all of these things. So the question becomes, okay, if you're doing the best you've ever done in history, you need to be putting out some massive results. I'm not talking about 5 million net profit and 20 million positive cash flow. No. You need to be dropping profits and cash flow in the hundreds of millions, because if you're doing your record of all time and you're still losing money or you're making a little bit of money, then the question becomes, okay, then what needs to happen for this company actually succeed? I mean, does the world need to stop and all go to AMC at the same time every single day? That's it? Because that's not going to happen. What if, and basically what he's telling investors as well is okay, these guys have done the best of all time, according to the CEO. The CEO pays himself $25 million and seems to be more concerned about taking pictures than actually managing the company. But you see, he doesn't care. He already sold, $40-50 million in shares. He pays himself $25 million. I mean, he will do just, like when I see people saying, oh yeah, but if he gets fired, it's going to be really bad. Yeah, sure. A guy with hundreds of millions of dollars at the age of 70 or whatever he is, I'm sure he will suffer a lot. Yeah, no doubt. So, but the question now in all seriousness becomes, okay, but what do you need for this company to be profitable and generate cash? Because if your record performance in history doesn't cut it, or you're barely profitable in this scenario, what's going to happen if something goes wrong? I mean, what if inflation keeps on going up? What if there's a recession? People need to start cutting back. They will cut back in movies because they need to prioritize other things. So what's up? That is the most important thing, is this quarter will be very telling, because this company needs to put out some amazing results. It cannot be just, oh yeah, they're good results. Oh, they were a bit above average. Oh, they were actually, pretty decent. No, they need to be extraordinary. Why? Because you don't have the best quarter in history every single quarter. You have it once upon a blue moon, right? So, but again, people are all concerned about this case, and I'm not actually talking to the Adam Aron fanatics, because those have no hope. It doesn't matter what he does. Like, he could go to the quarterly results presentation and just go there completely trashed, completely drunk, and just fall on the stage and get naked, and these guys on these followers of him would still say, oh my god, this guy is amazing, have you seen how everybody's looking at it? Mo has confirmed, like, there's no hope. So I'm not directing my questions to those people. What I'm trying to say is, for the apes out there that still exist, if you want to see the potential of this company, these next quarter results will be very important for you to make your own judgment. So I encourage you to pay attention and to tune out the noise and just look at the numbers. So thank you very much, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.